Guys, just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. Alright, looks a lot better. All these stains are already 90% gone. And all we do is pre-spray and agitate. Probably going to come out great. I'm going to keep my PSI low at about 400. 350 to 400. Very low pile carpet. We don't need that much. Definitely don't want to leave this type of carpet over wet because you do get spots that appear as it dries. Okay, so we got a red stain here. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm going to treat it with some red one. Definitely doesn't look like wine or anything. So we'll see what happens with that as we're cleaning. So the red stain seemed to lighten up a little bit, but I let the customer know, and I said I do have a process for specialty stain removal, red stain removal, which is that right there. We steam it out. That's a wallpaper remover. That's a Wagner wallpaper remover. I believe it is in a link below my video under the tools I use. And what we're going to do is let that heat up, and then we'll steam it out. We treat it with red wand, and it should disappear. So hopefully, keep your fingers crossed. But I also did not guarantee it, so make sure you don't guarantee, guys. All right, guys. So it's steaming. The more water we have in there, less time it takes to. I'm not gonna say nothing about that. But you gotta wait till it steams, right? You gotta wait till it gets hot in there. It takes a while, so plug it in at the beginning of the job. You see it's lightened up already in the place where it was at. I'm going to go ahead and do another little spray with the red wand. Kind of just hit it back and forth until it's gone. A little agitation. So Brenda will just keep lifting it up and checking it, moving it over, moving over. The great thing about this is not going to burn the carpet. You can walk away from this and forget all about it. It's just going to run out of water. Now, if you're using the iron, you got chances you can get it too hot and damage the fiber. So that's what I love about this. Forgetful minds is a good tool here. So if you get to doing your, oh man, I forgot about it, you don't got to worry about it. All right. Alright guys, all gone. So you just spray it, let it sit, move back and forth, hit it a little bit more with the red one, move back and forth. If it doesn't disappear, then it's not removable, but most of the time it works as long as you know what it is. Synthetic color, Kool-Aid, you know. Wax has artificial coloring in it, so even candles and stuff. So, all right, I'm gonna clean my way out of here. As you can tell, the carpet came out beautiful everywhere. And we're gonna wrap this one up. Say see ya. All right, stay positive, folks. See you in the next one. So between the two jobs, we did 2 jobs today, and it took us 3.5. Right now it's 3.5 hours. We're on our way to get something to eat, and the grand total was $840. So carpet cleaning, you know, can give you a good living. All right. First customer, we had to do a 3-room enzyme on it, so really up the ticket there. And then the second customer, just you know, a lot of areas in that red stain. So 3.5 hours, $840. I don't know. That's good living, I think. I don't know.